Hello.
So me and Lizzy are here at the Dallas Arboretum waiting on Alexa and Emily, who are pooping in the bathroom. That's what we're gonna assume. So update us so far.
Yeah.
Haven't slept.
Haven't slept. Brandon doesn't love me, so that's great. I think my friends also left me. Colson's the only one I can rely on. End of story. Also, gave him wrong directions. Definitely told him the wrong airport. But he brought me Chick-fil-A, so we're all good.
And it's only 9:15 right now, so this is our day so far.
I also really like your jeans.
Oh my god, you're so pretty.
I know.
And I'm so mad. I'm like, this girl, why is she always so late to everything? And she shows up, and I'm like, what the heck? And she goes, so you know what you texted me, right? That she's trying to distract from her stupid story.
Wow.
Impressive.
That's a really nice leaf. We found Brandon. Brandon's here, been here the whole time.
How does this, oh, what?
That's so pretty. He thought that view was pretty, but I thought he was prettier.
Did you get that? That was good.
No, I just started.
That was good content. Oh, I'm so sorry.
Quack, quack, quack. These are my little ducklings.
I'm living right now. We're thriving. Living my best life. I wonder how we look from behind.
Lions and tigers and bears.
I had my biggest senior moment yesterday. I was just casually walking to my class like I normally do, and these two 7th grade boys come sprinting down the hallway with their rolling backpacks and knock me into the wall. And like, literally, I looked at them with so much disgust, and they were like, and like, I just thought, I'm like, who do these 7th graders think they are?
All right, waltz, just waltz down now.
Okay. Waltz? Oh.
Waltz.
wait.
All right, take everything I say literally.
They're extra single. Yeah! Oh!
That's how you waltz.
You're gonna jump out and attack me. Pictures and videos are gone. They're on my phone. Oh yeah. Because Apple is stupid.
A wild Pemily.
iCloud.
Pemily in her natural habitat. Skitty up, pop, pop. And a poop, 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 boom. Boom, boom. Skitty up.
Want to jump in and collect all the coins? Oh. Yeah, that's
Ooh, look at that thick bear.
Thank you.
Thick. Looks pretty. It looks like the water's part of it if you sit like this. Feet my fanny pack.
Coming? Oh. Perfect.
Bye.
Perfect.
Colson leaving.
Perfect. Look at the wild
What a
Colson.
generation. Always on their cell phones.
God. I'm texting my grandmother.
But me and Liz are better friends because we're matching.
Yep.
Oh.
Hey, Colson. Oh, he's wearing Skechers.
So Colson's decided that I'm gonna take over this. Best vlogger ever. Wow, this is oh. That's what it's like to be Colson. Ready for this? Oh. Well, I found the dinosaur. Oh. Too legit to quit. Just kidding, he quit, so he's not legit. Hey. Oh, hey, yeah. Oh, I hate us.
Oh, we get it. You vape.
Vape nature.
Nature.
Oh, that cheek bump. Oh,
Look at how beautiful this leaf is.
not as beautiful as you.
It's a beautiful yellow leaf.
Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Oh. There's so many bridges. Oh, look how beautiful that is. Also, anyone notice how weird looks that those girls were giving me? Because I'm carrying around a camera.
Oh, I'm rich.
I'm rich.
I found a penny. Ow! I found a penny on a bush.
Look at my children.
We have come here.
No, let's all go in my minivan and get velvet taco.
This is what life is about. This is what Christmas is.
What is going on? Do you see how black this is? And it's like as dark as my soul.
That could be because the front lens is closed.
Why is it closed?
You didn't open it. Let me see.
What?
Is it open?
That's recording while this is all happening. Off-roading. We off-roaded.
There's usually signs that say not to walk in the plants, but
True.
there was no sign.
So we're not breaking any rules. I just see gorillas.
Water gorillas.
I love gorillas that balance hula hoops on their nose. What's that, Liz?
Somebody doing the nasty.
They're wrestling?
They're wrestling. Yep. I love when people wrestle in bushes. Bushes.
We're wrestling in the bushes too.
You know, guys, I'm just here with my butches. My main butch. Hey, Emily, how single do you feel from a 0 to 10?
Like.
Reject her. Oh, we're cuter.
There she goes. Oh gosh. There you go, better angle.
Is it though? My Jake Paul yet? I'm a musician.
Just watching some ghetto Disney back here.
Nice.